Hey guys, here with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing a Hot Wheels 5-pack Fast and Furious set. It's got the Mustang, Monte Carlo, Porsche GT3 RS, the R34 Skyline, and the Camaro. Pretty nice here. So let's go crack this open, and we will... I don't know what Cam just said, but let's go crack this open and then we'll come back after. That was the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious 5-pack. Now my favorite cars are going to be the usuals, the Porsche GT3 RS and the R34 Skyline, but I love this Mustang. The green flake on it is so nice up close, which you guys would have seen. Gorgeous. But yeah, these are my two favorites. The Porsche GT3 RS and the, if this will focus, there we go, R34 Skyline. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out some of my other videos, subscribe, and keep on collecting.